Hi guys, welcome back to my channel everyone. So in today's video guys, I just would like to share to you this butterfly flying on my nose. No, just kidding guys. So I would like to share to you something which I received today from a subscriber. Yeah, a subscriber from Denmark everyone. So yeah, we will do unboxing. So yes guys, unboxing it is. So yes guys, I just actually woke up. So when I woke up everyone, my husband gave me this package. So he told me that I got a package, and I just thought, oh, package. So I have it here. So this is the package. The pack looks scary because you know it's black. So I don't really know what's in it. So let's open it guys. So yeah, keep watching everyone. So yes guys, spring it is everyone. Spring. I can feel the spring, so you can see the spring is around my face everyone. No, just kidding. So yeah, here we go. Let's do the unboxing guys. So I actually got this from a friend and a subscriber everyone. You know, we can make a lot of friends on YouTube guys, really unexpectedly. Yeah, and it's a great story, you know. It's a great story to tell when you make a lot of friends on YouTube. Yeah, so I got this one from her, surprisingly. Oh my gosh, so thank you so much. Big shout out to my friend from Denmark, a friend and a subscriber guys. So yeah, we became friends because of YT. She has been my subscriber, and yeah, we became friends through YT guys. So here it is. Oh, except everyone, do you know what it is? Can you guess what it is guys? Yeah, here we go. Yes. Yeah, there you are. Ooh, it's well packed. What is that, guys? Ooh, look, guys, there's a small bag. There's a small, what's that, box? Let's see what's inside. Ooh, there you are, everyone. Are you excited to open it? Let's open, guys. Ooh, a microphone, everyone. Oh my god, my favorite color. Thank you so much. Big shout out to you, my dear Bisdak channel. It used to be Bisdak channel, but now it's Bisdak Oy. Big shout out to you. Thank you so much for this wonderful gift of yours. Oh my god, pink. Oh, my favorite color. Yes, guys. So yeah, let's sing everyone. Wow, it's very nice, you know. It's cool. The coolest prices. So I don't know what the brand is. No, it doesn't matter. Yeah, oh my god, it's very beautiful guys. You see, voice recording, you can do voice recording, play songs by USB. Yeah, it's karaoke microphone for mobile phones. Oh my god, it's very nice. You see, OMG, how to turn it on. Oh, look at that. Look guys, I don't know, maybe I need to charge it later. Let's see everyone how it is. And here there are some wires here, and this one also, I think it's another cord, USB cord. Yeah guys, oh my god. Thank you ang babait nimo Bisdak oy. Oh my god, it's very beautiful. I love it so much. And here's the case guys. You see the case is like that. You can put the microphone here. Yeah, oh, so you can really take care of the stuff, you know. Yeah, you see, and it's my favorite color. My god, thank you so much, Bisdak oy. Yes guys, Tre Bass Eco Music. Wow, everything. So I think I need to charge it first. Yeah, let's see how it is. I can't turn it on yet, so maybe I need to charge it first. So yeah guys, that's it guys for this unboxing guys. Thank you so much, my dear. Is that cool? Every little thing, every single day, every effort. I don't know how to sing, guys. Too much of something is bad enough. Something's going crazy and you make me sad. Yes, guys, I can sing. Oh my god, this is a stress reliever, you know. Oh my god, that's very thoughtful of you, my dear Bisdak ko. Oh, thank you so much for being so thoughtful, you know. Yes, you are very thoughtful. You know that I am sometimes very stressed with the life here in France with my situation. And yeah, that's how thoughtful you are. You're really very thoughtful. So I think this is very useful to actually, you know, make me relieve stress or something like that, because you know, singing. So yes, guys, that's really it for today's video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And you know, treasure every friendship that you have, especially on YT, which is very unexpected, you know. So yeah, there are a lot of people that we can meet on YT, so it's very important for us to be genuine and really very true to ourselves. I mean, yeah, treasure whatever friendship you can make, whatever friendship you are able to make, everyone. So yeah, thank you so much, and a big shout out to
Hello guys. Oh, let's go home. Oh, I'm not done. I'm not yet done. We are going somewhere else. So kailangan siya nakapaghinga. Maka di mainitan kasi na siya. Ayun, Tagalog, halhan. Dulo. Dito guys, tapos na sila guys. Can't you see I love you?
big shout out to Bisdak channel. Yes, guys, a friend and a subscriber from Denmark. Thank you so much. So yes, guys, it's really it for today's video, everyone. I'm so sorry I wasn't able to try that microphone, that how can I say, karaoke microphone from a friend from Denmark. I wasn't able to try because I was charging it, and suddenly we decided to send my daughter to the hospital. Yeah, so she has been admitted, so we're gonna stay here for like one night. We need to stay here for one night because she doesn't eat anything, or she doesn't drink. She doesn't like to eat or nor drink anything. So yeah, and yeah, so anyway, we're gonna stay here for one night, and yeah, I hope tomorrow everything's gonna be okay. She's asleep right now, so I'm actually here in the hospital right now, everyone. So yeah, it's almost 10 p.m. here, almost 10 p.m. and I'm a bit bored. I mean, yeah, it's boring. I'm alone here in the hospital with my little one. So yeah, that's really it, everyone. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to hit that like button there. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button below to get more updates about my channel, everyone. So yeah, that's it for today. Have a wonderful day, everyone, and I hope you guys are doing great. So yeah, take care, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
Time to say goodbye to